Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So we'll be talking about social value. So what's social value? Social value is a platform that's kind of like an advanced AI platform for trading. Now you're not more about the trading part, you're not about the rewards part. So social value this season one is actually a year ago when they rewarded people from 150, different people went from $10 to $2,000 for just performing back on social value. Now they are back with another program, but this is an affiliate program. So let me talk about more about the affiliate program as we go on into the video. So social value, just like I said, is the AI powered trading application. You need to know more about that. If you want to join, the description is in the box below, and they have 30 million so the name of the coin is so they have 30 million so which is equivalent to $10 million up for grabs for affiliates. Okay, so affiliates and affiliates alone, because this season 2 affiliate program. Now what do you mean by affiliate? Means that you got to refer somebody to it to get a share of this cake. The more you refer, the more the shares of cake you are going to chop. Sorry for using chop, but the more the shares of cake you are going to eat from the program. So before I talk much, let's go ahead to the platform. So you check the description link for the description box for the video, you see the platform like this. Now if you are a new user that you want to join the affiliate program, the description link is there for you. Then also you're going to need to reach some certain level, which I'll talk more as I go. So for new users, click on sign up, and you can log in with either Google, Apple, Telegram, anyone you want to log in. I'm an old user, I will log in directly. They're going to ask for a verification code, so you just get the verification code. They put in the verification code. Then you are allowed to okay. For this is the page, you just click on the experience page. So I need to perform some tasks to reach level 2, because if you want to join the affiliate program, you have to be at level 2. So there are tasks below that. I'll just perform a few of them. If you check in, you will earn 1000 XP. Then if you scroll down, you can refer people, the referral and code for referral. Then also you can click on starter pack and join all of these tasks. If you visit those tasks, so let's just do some tasks. Alright, so once you have reached V2, just click on this join now up here. I'll show you a video tutorial about becoming now you can see this is it. So to show you the ranking of every other person, you can see the top person have a lot of EXP and 14,000 invites. So every people there are different amount of invites, okay? So and then their social media. So now when you click on activate affiliates. So when you're activating an affiliate, you need to put your X, your YouTube. But those of you that are influencers, many influencers, you put in these details. Like for instance, I'll just put influencers. Then Telegram, if you already have a Telegram channel, TikTok and others, but I don't have any other one, just have to save next. Now your username, you can put in your username. Once you put in your username, click on save and next. And I'll give it a minute or two. So it shows that this how to win, you just want to start inviting. So the key to winning more from this $15 million is by referring people. The more your referrals, the more the share of the cake. Now you can earn from 100 to 1,000, 100 to even 10,000. You know, some people have the ability to refer on it. So you're able to send this kind of image if you want to, but most time even images doesn't work. If images doesn't work, so you can just click on copy link, and then you can invest it as well. It gives you the link like this. Once it gives you this link, you just get this your claim now. This claim now part is your referral link, so you can share this to anyone so that they will join social value. So the more the people you invite, the more money you earn. Then also for those that will be asking, I don't think XP is going to count to anything anymore again. But I said I don't think I stand to be collected, because I'm not sure if XP will count anything, because the first round those XPs are counted to something, but now it's affiliates, the powers. But yeah, you can check your ranking. Let me go and share my ranking. It's supposed to show you the global ranking on almost everyone, but yeah, as you can see, they are the top moguls and they are the less people. But yeah, that's how you can get your ranking. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you like to see more videos like this, please hit on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload new contents like this. We have a WhatsApp group that we share updates to before YouTube because of the process of making a video, but you can get our WhatsApp group in the description box. I want to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.